There's no shedding. Like, Temu, I'm excited for this one.
People be rolling. Love it when I make you mad, but maybe we just not like that. Yeah, maybe we just not like that.
What is up, my on-time gang family? Welcome back to another video by me, Letitia Marie. If I'm in my washroom, you know I'm either gonna be doing something with my face or something with my maintenance, and this is going to be a maintenance video, and I'm super excited to bring this for you all because we got some DIY nails. I'm gonna update my skincare routine. I feel like my skin has been glowing and I'm really happy about that. Hair, we're gonna be reviewing some hair from Temu, and look at the quality. I'm just gonna show you guys up close like what this is looking like, this frontal. I want to do a frontal pony real bad, and I'm like, I don't really want to spend $100 or $200. I think this was like 20 bucks. Maybe even less. I think it was $22, and this one I think is 16 inches. Look how long this is. This is actually like pretty freaking long. So I'm excited to just review for Temu. And like I said, look at this. Have you seen this? Look at this. There's no shedding. There's like no shedding. So I don't know what's going on at Temu, and this is not sponsored by them. There is a sponsor, but it's not them. But y'all, I'm super excited. There's no shedding. Like, Temu, I'm excited for this one. Like, I'll show you guys up close. It's actually very thick. It's actually plucked like pretty well. Like, look at this. Look, y'all, are you seeing this? Yo, I'm excited for this. Today's sponsor though is Nail Reserve, and they are straight out of LA, and I'm so excited to be collaborating with them for the first time. Thank you so much for sending me these beautiful nail polishes. I also got a poly gel, so I'm gonna attempt to do that and do my nail extensions on my own. They even sent me, it's almost like a mini kit. I got the cuticle oil, top coat, base coat, and then they also went ahead and added in a little UV light for me so I can do my nails at home myself. So once again, Nail Reserve, thank you so much for sponsoring today's video. And if you all want to shop with them, please go ahead and use code NEVERLATE, and it'll give you 50% off of your order. Now, this unfortunately cannot be combined with any promotions online, and you need a minimum of 2 items in your cart. But other than that, you will get 50% off if you go ahead and use my code. So I'm super excited to bring this all for you guys. Listen to me. It is vegan. It is cruelty-free. They have over 200 colors on their site, and y'all, listen, it's henna free too. So I'm super excited to be working with them. And again, I get to do my nails at home. I get to do my daughter's nails at home now too. And I love that from you. All I need is a little bin. I can do my pedicures at home right now too. So they will be today's sponsors, and I'm super thrilled to bring that for you all today. To jump right into our video, we're gonna start off with our nair because, child, I don't really like to wax. I can't be bothered with the waxing. I also shave my legs as well, but I typically use the men's razor. And it's very similar to the men's Gillette one, and that's because it has 6 blades in it. I just get mine from the dollar store, y'all. This one is $3. You don't gotta go so expensive for your razors, to be very honest with you. I know my sister will buy a pack of this, and it's gonna cost her 60 bucks. Why, so I can use it 2 times and dash it away? $3, please. Thank you very much. Both the sensitive and the regular nails, because I use the sensitive one on my girl down there because, you know, she's sensitive. You guys want to put nothing too harsh, no harsh chemicals down there. So I go ahead with this one down there. The other one, the regular one, I will typically use it for like my armpits and like my leg if I have to. And then I'll probably shave just to make sure everything is off. But yeah, other than that, sensitive for her. And while we wait for 7 minutes, we're gonna go ahead with our Fenty Cherry Scrub Mask right now. And I've never used this before. I got this as a Mother's Day gift. So I'm super excited to try out this bad boy right here. So we're just gonna open this up. I should have read the instructions. That would have made more sense. Let's see right here. It says, apply an even layer to clean, dry skin. Leave for 10 minutes. Rinse for best results. Okay, you know what? And then it says use 2 to 3 times a week, non-consecutive days. Okay, cool, no problem. So 2 to 3 times a week, every other day basically, and we're gonna do even layers. My face is already dry and stuff.
Who's cutting this shit? Where the fuck the function? Where the fuck the function? The way I feel right now, I feel like we need to be all alone. So if you just playing around, you need to tell your girl, take a fine ass home, and that's real. Stop teasing me. Stop teasing me. I could change your life so easily. I keep begging you to stay, but you're leaving me. Leaving me. We got sticks in the club illegally. Got the whole 6 side, they believe in me. We got members east of the DVP. We got members that's on.
Alright, now that my hair is all blow dried, I'm gonna go ahead and sleek it down. I use a few things to sleek down my hair just to make sure it's flat because my hair is natural and I don't really feel like flat ironing it. So make sure we brush this up as best as possible. So I have my Moray's beeswax that I'm gonna use to first help. I'm gonna put you guys onto this gummy edge control. Listen, if you have natural hair, this is perfect for you. If your hair doesn't hold with like anything, this one is very good. This is probably one of my favorite edge controls on the market right now. Listen, it sleeks on everything as perfect as possible. I'm probably gonna use my Bond Wonder Spray to hold it down a little bit more, and that's it. My hair is gonna be slicked back perfectly. And I know people are wondering sometimes, why do a protected, like a frontal ponytail with your hairstyle? It's like a protective ponytail. So see, like my edges are gone. They're coming back slowly. But when you put something on like this, you still get that full look that you want without compromising your hair at the same time. So to apply this, I'm going to go ahead and use my Erica J glue. I'm going to use it away from your edges here. I'm not going to put the stocking on or anything like that because child ain't got time for that. I actually have to go somewhere. So we're just going to go ahead and use the glue what I have a little bit away from my hairline. Just gonna use it away from the hairline a little bit and spread it out evenly. All right, so this is the pony. I have a few flyaways that I gotta take care of that are in here. And y'all, this is my first time doing a frontal ponytail. And I feel like I did a good job if I do this for myself. I still gotta just dip the ends. But y'all, I'm very excited. I just stick up the back like a little bit more. I just feel like it's cute. I feel like it's really cute. I feel like it's a look. Let me know in the comments down below. Let me know what you think of the ponytail. I guess my first time doing this. The frontal from Temu actually is not bad. Very manageable. And I'm super excited. I just feel like, look, she's eating down, babe. I thought this, listen, I think it's cute. And for my first time trying this out, I think that this is adorable. So if y'all want to do a little quick frontal ponytail, I think this cost me, what, $25 with the braiding hair? Yes, please, honey. Every single time. Give me a good discount, DIY maintenance, and it's giving luxury if I do this on myself. All right, y'all. So technically, it's the next day. I went out for dinner with my girl Sheba yesterday, and it was so good to catch up. I'm just putting on my Black Girl Sunscreen lip gloss. I love this lip gloss, especially if I'm just doing like just my regular face and my lashes are on, my eyebrows are done, and I want to run outside. This is my go-to lip gloss right here. So the next thing we're gonna do is our lashes, and I'm so excited to do my lashes with you all. We're gonna be doing a lash strip this time, and I got my lash strips from Shein, and y'all, they look so good. I'll put the pictures and stuff right beside me from when I went out with my girl yesterday. They look good, and I got compliments on my lashes. So I want to do a lash strip, and lash strips, if you do it properly, it will last you anywhere from 1 week to 2 weeks. The same glue that I used last time for my DIY like glass clusters, they lasted me about 8-9 days, which isn't bad because my first time ever trying it out. So I'm excited now that I have a technique down pat. This definitely will last me at least almost 2 weeks, which is very good because I just run out my house. Pony's done, lashes are done. All I gotta do is learn how to do my eyebrows next. But other than that, you know, the skin is clear and we love that for us. And yeah, let's go ahead and put on our strips next. So to start off, we have our lash shampoo. And last time y'all know I got this from Amazon. It's still from Amazon. Remember to close your eyes. Don't get it in direct contact with your eyes because you don't want your eyes to burn, anything like that. Last time I think I went too close to my lashes and that was the problem. So this time we're gonna keep it a little bit away and clean them off. Experiencing any burning right now like I did last time, because I actually have a technique of how to actually clean my lashes. So be mindful of the angles that you're on and be sure to only clean like your lash hairs. So this is the lash glue I'll be using. It is specifically a DIY lash glue, and if you remember, this is also from Amazon. It is very important that you're going to use a DIY lash glue. Do not use the regular Lash Tech glue because you don't want to get an eye infection. You don't want to potentially get it in your eye and infect. Like, please be careful, y'all, because this is a DIY home thing and I don't want anybody to hurt themselves. So please be mindful. There's also the Bond, like actual like lash mascara. You can also use that as well. That's a little bit more easier to use, but I'm doing a lash strip. And honestly, because I know this glue works out wonderfully, I'm going to be using this. I'm going to use my little lash curler that I got from Temu. And we're just gonna stick it inside. This is the same lashes I used last night. I'm just gonna end up using these because they were already curled up a bit, and I just want to continue with the same one rather than, I also cut the ends as well so it could fit along my eye as best as possible. So for my glue, I'm gonna use that same pad that the lashes actually even come on, and I'm just gonna score out a little bit and do it in sections. That way you're not sticking anything to your skin or anything like that. So I just put like not even a dime size, like a little tiny piece like that. And I'm gonna make sure you use your tweezers as well to help guide along your eyelashes. And you want to give it about, I want to say like 10 seconds, not even, like 6 to 7 seconds. Glide the end of the lashes along the glue as well. So as you can see, there's glue all along the lash. And then again, as it's on, you can go ahead and add more as needed. Here's flip up and you can just guide along. Right now I'm just using my fingers. I put a little glue on the inside just so I can get the lashes to sit down a little bit more and look more like individuals. She came out cute, if I do say so myself. I like. All right, now that we're getting right into our nails, looking at this poly gel, I attempted to try this out, but it's actually harder than I thought. And listen, I was messing it up. It was getting sticky. I tried to cure it. It wasn't working. Then I filed it down. I took it off. Y'all, it was damn near broken. So I had to try a new technique. So I went ahead and stuck on these duck nails that I had and I just filed them down. I made sure just to glue them on. Now using my first base coat, I went ahead and coated all my nails evenly as possible. And then I stuck them underneath the UV lights. And if you push the button 2 times after putting the coats down, it will leave it underneath for 60 seconds. And you want to make sure you're putting an even coat for your base layer. So after the 60 seconds were done, I went ahead and took my nails out and went ahead and put down all my other base coats on each of my nails. I did this individually. Then my color, I went ahead and did even layers on same thing, each nail individually, pushing my button 2 times, leaving them for 60 seconds. Then my top coat went on. And I did a couple nails at the same time for my top coat. I spread off any excess and I went ahead and spread that evenly. Same thing after each nail was finished, I stuck underneath the UV for 60 seconds, pushing that button 2 times as needed. After that, I know you guys see some hanging off on the side, so I went ahead and filed that off. And I also used my clippers to go ahead and take off any of the excess of the polish, just because, it looked messy, it looked a little crazy on there. So I made sure to clean that as best as possible, filing off what I had to. Then I got extra and I stuck on some gems on my nails, some little stars hanging, adding some flowers and some gemstones as well. After that, I pulled out my cuticle oil from Nail Reserve as well, putting on each of my underneath my nails beautifully. After that, I went ahead and spread it out with my fingers and I rubbed it down just a little bit, give myself a little bit of a little finger massage, because DIY maintenance, you got to take care of yourself. You got to love yourself. So each of my fingers received the same beautiful treatment. And I love that for me. Again, this is a DIY maintenance. Make sure you're pampering yourself just like you would if you're at the regular nail salon. So I went ahead, did not use anything sparingly. I used what I had to make sure my fingers look beautiful. Okay. And then I headed out outside and these were my nails right here. And I feel like for my first time doing this came out beautifully. If you made it this far in this video, go ahead and comment or do a hashtag DIY maintenance in the comment section down below. All right, beauties, we're at the end of our video, and I hope you all loved it just as much as I love filming it. Once again, thank you so much to Nail Reserve for sponsoring today's video. Make sure you go ahead and use code NEVERLATE to get 50% off your purchase. And remember, it cannot be combined with any other offers. I need to buy at least 2 items, which is fine because obviously all you need is a top coat, a base coat, you know, the little UV machine that you can travel with anywhere. And this is perfect again for traveling. So if you're on vacation and you switch up your nail color or your nail set or anything like that, I feel like it's the perfect thing to carry with you because it's portable and you can use whatever colors you like. I'm probably gonna get some yellows and some blues just because it's summer. I love my little duck nails. Again, this is my first time doing something like this and I had so much fun. Even adding some little rhinestones in there. And I fixed the cuticles and everything, so I love that for me. I even fixed my pony. As you guys can tell, it's a little more flat at the top now, and I blended it out a little bit more. My top comb is low-key kind of broken, so I had to re-flat iron the top. And I know you notice my lashes are slightly different. Y'all, them strips were getting on my nerves, so I took them off and I cut it up and then I placed it individually instead. And I like these, if I do say so myself. And again, fixed my pony. I even made it a little longer, so there's that. And look, the pony is ponying. Okay, so this is our little DIY maintenance video, and I really hope y'all really enjoyed it because, like I said, I had so much fun filming it. Again, this frontal from Temu, she did a big one and it looks good. Like, it looks really good. So do not walk, and grab your frontal from there. I'm gonna try to buy a wig or something and do a review with that for next month's maintenance video. If you are not subscribed to the channel yet and you want to be a part of our On Time Gang family, I highly recommend that you go ahead and subscribe because we got some big things going on over here. This year is all about thriving, elevating, growing, and glowing. And the only way to go from here is up, honey. So if you want to be with us on the winning side, I highly recommend subscribing. We got some hauls coming up. I just gotta put the pieces together and film. I'm waiting on a couple more packages. There's no tariffs, by the way, in case someone's wondering. There are no tariffs right now, especially in Canada. I'm always so excited to film for you all. I'm in such a great mood. It's my day off. It's also a holiday in Canada, so I get to go outside and enjoy the nice weather. So yeah, I will see you all soon in another video. Once again, thank you so much for all those who tune in every single time I upload, liking and commenting. And like I said, I will see you all very soon in another video. Bye.